Hello mga kalakwats! Heto ang 7 ways para makip ang New Year's resolution mo. First, if you say you'll hit the gym 5 times a week, baka magsimula ka lang muna sa isa, huwag kang masyadong pahambog. Second, broadcast mo yung resolutions mo sa social media. Walang tatalo sa pressure ng likes and comments. Pangatlo, if your resolution is to read more, mag-start ka with comic books. Mas madali lang basahin, but it's still reading. Fourth, every time you succeed, reward yourself with something small, like chocolate bar or frappe. Pero huwag naman sobra, kasi mababaliwala yung pag-gym mo. Next, huwag mong gawin ang everything in one day. Hindi ka naman tumaba ng isang araw lang, ilang barbecue at birthday parties ang napuntahan mo bago ka nag-gain ng weight. Pang-anim, don't be too hard on yourself. If you slip up, remember, it's not a failure. Huwag mo lang karyerin yung mga slip-ups mo. Lastly, get a resolution buddy. Hanap ka ng kasama na kaibigan na hindi takot mag-fail. At least may kasama ka sa journey mo, success man o failure. Pag sinunod mo itong mga tips, you'll have more chances of actually sticking to your New Year's resolution. Or at least you'll have fun trying. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and follow Familia Lakwachadores.